Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the battery saver or the power saver mode on your Android phone. So let's get started. Now there's two different ways you can do it depending on the phone model you have. One simple easy way is just pulling down the top menu right here. And once you pull down the top menu here, you should see an icon that looks like this, which is basically a battery with a leaf on it. So if you simply tap on that, that's going to turn on the battery saver mode on your phone. Now, if you don't see it right here, you can also pull down that menu and see if you can see it here. And if you don't also see it, you can also edit the menu. So if you click on edit, you can actually edit the menu so that you can see that one if it's not already on your list, and then hit done here. Now, that's going to be one way to do it. Now, another way you might consider doing it is just going ahead and pulling up or finding your settings app. Now, once you find your settings app, you're going to scroll down to battery, and then you should see a power or a battery saving option right here. For example, I already turned mine on. I'm turning it off and turning it on again just to show you that you can also access that and turn it on from here as well. So different ways to turn on the battery saver mode. One of the ways that will indicate it's on, you can see there's a leaf on the battery percentage on the icon as well that it is on. And when you turn it off, it will be removed. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next time.